Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to reset TikTok FYP. What is FYP? FYP is the For You page. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, how to reset FYP, click on the TikTok app. You can see here FYP and you want to reset it, click on the search bar and delete all the icons that things that you have searched, delete that things and you have to search anything that what type of For You page you want, click search that things and click back. Your in this way your For You page will be updated according to your choice. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.